Although the index that you generate with Indexia will be usable and exportable to a format of your choice immediately, we also wanted to provide some ability for you to actually make edits to your index using our own software. And I'm going to walk you through the mechanics of that at a basic level right now. We really have three types of actions that you can perform on your terms that are important. The first is merging those terms into one another. For example, you may decide that a term like naval protection should be a part of Navy. The second is cross-referencing these terms, as in creating some kind of a see also reference in your index along the lines of the see also new world that you can see here associated with the America term on the right hand side in the index viewer. And then finally, you have the ability to create sub-entries for your terms. You can see here that this was done automatically by our AI system on Navy, where British Navy and Fleet are both sub-entries of this primary term. Lastly, you also have the ability to delete terms, which you can see right here. As far as term merging and how that works, if you click Merge Term right here, you'll be able to see the source term that you've clicked on and the target term, which I haven't selected yet. You can also see a list of AI suggestions of the most similar terms. The AI has picked up on the fact that naval protection is quite similar to Navy. So I want to merge naval protection into Navy, which means that I'm going to swap the target and the source here, and I now just simply need to press validate and merge. Give that a moment to occur. You can see here that it's simply loading right now, and momentarily we'll see this term naval protection disappear from the menu. There we go. And it will have become a part of the Navy term. You can see here that it now has an alias, naval protection. Next up are sub-entries. And we do sub-entries in two separate ways in Indexia. The first is that the referential terms that our AI has extracted can become a part of other referential terms, which is the reason why British Navy has become a part of the term Navy. If you disagree with any of that, you can simply press the detach button here, and that results in this sub-entry becoming its own term disassociated from Navy. I also want you all to be aware of a feature called contextual sub-entries that we have associated with Indexia. Now, in essence, that allows you to generate sub-entries that, rather than being their own terms, are just getting at the manner in which a term that you have is being used. And you can generate that automatically in this AI contextual pane here, in which if you click generate sub-entries, our system will automatically analyze how the primary term is being used, come up with sub-entry labels for it, and then assign those sub-entry labels to the different pages of the primary term that you have. I'll do that here, even though because this term only appears on 3 pages, it doesn't really need contextual sub-entries. All right, there we have it. Navy is being used in a as national defense context and also with respect to its economic significance. Because this term is not appearing all that frequently, those labels are both deemed to be applicable by our AI system to all of the pages that are included for Navy. As far as generating cross-references are concerned, it's pretty straightforward. You can simply click this Add Cross-Reference menu here, and then select a term that you are interested in cross-referencing. Maybe that term is protection. And there we go. All right, well, that's a walkthrough of some of the basic actions that you can take in order to make modifications to your index in Indexia.